do it. Now you can breathe underwater, be a sheep, and eat grass. We have begun the mutation. Now then, welcome back to Utopia³ in the Sunshine Genetics Lab. Where last episode we failed to become superhuman and be able to fly. But in the meantime, we have now learnt the ability to eat grass.
Yes, I can eat grass. It had some side effects on me. Oh, never mind. I was going to turn into a... That didn't work.
It turned into a sheep and go and eat grass. So now when... that's a mushroom.
Yep, I don't have a sheep. I haven't killed a sheep. That was totally fail.
Okay, take two. Now then. So what we didn't figure out last time that we had to figure out after the episode finished was that we have to put through the centrifuge a second time after we've added the gene. So I'm going to put the fly through again. Oh, you're just doing the eat grass again.
No, that's just a new blood one.
Okay.
Oh, wait, it is eat grass. Oh, you can just fill it up again.
Oh, you... So now I... Oh!
Now you can eat grass.
Now we can both eat grass. So this is... eat grass. While eat grass is being injected, I'm going to put fly in there. Right, so eat grass. Doink. Oh, nausea. I get a little bit of nausea. That's all. That's not too bad.
You might want to sit down to get used to the effects.
That's not too bad. And then nothing. Okay.
Yep.
And if I take blood from the syringe, right?
Yep. It's eat grass.
It's eat grass again. Oh wow! So we can now sell eat grass serums to people. Nice. And I said sheep would have no use. Well, that's good. So if we get more than one, do we then fill syringes with more than one? Oh, let's do that. So we've got fly syringe here. Okay. I'm wondering what adverse effects this is. I'm gonna. I would say I was gonna go and eat some grass, but we haven't got any up here. I'm just going to have a quick munch on a pork chop to steady my nerves here. Just, we've been doing a bit of running around in the meantime. Okay, so, now, fly.
Come over here to the cliff.
Yeah. Oh, just more noise here. That's not too bad. And once it's... Oh, that's real bad when you're walking. And before I jump off a cliff, I'm going to fill it back up again. Get blind. Okay, and yes, we've got fly, but nothing else. So the syringe seems to keep track of. Unless I've lost eat grass. Okay, so...
Oh, if you can only have one effect at a time? I don't
know. It might be one effect at a time.
Do you need a reason to jump off the cliff?
No. I'm just figuring out whether... How do I fly? Oh, no! Ah! I can't fly! I'm not flying! I'm not. What's the fly button? Give me. Oh, okay. I died. There must be some form of key to press to start flight.
Okay.
Let's have a look in the options and the controls. And we'll try that again, shall we? Oh, we're not going to fail this episode at all. There's so many controls in this menu. Oh, here we go. Got teleport, shoot fireballs, blow yourself up, shoot fireballs, throw potions. And that's it. So, wow. There's no fly. There's no button to start flying. At all. As far as I can see.
Double jump?
Well, I tried that, I think. No, double tap isn't doing it. I'm just jumping around the corridors going, I can't fly, I can't fly, I can't fly.
Do you think when you syringed yourself with blood, it took it back out of you?
Oh, do you think? That can't be right, can it?
Because then it has the anti-gene, there'd be no purpose to that.
Let me just, what was this one? Fly.
Wait, you've got another fly?
I just picked the one up that you put on the floor.
Oh, I've got two in my inventory now. Oh, they're there.
Right, well, I've now got it again. Double jump still doesn't work. F? No. What's the fly key for jetpacks?
Just spacebar.
Just spacebar. No, I definitely can't fly. But you definitely could eat grass.
Yeah, that worked fine.
So, another Sunshine Genetics Lab fail. Okay, well, let's try and blow ourselves up instead. That sounds like a good idea.
Sounds good.
Explode yourself genes. We've got those. Did we have there? We've got the gene started. Explode yourself. So we put that into the breeder. And how far are we off? 16 away.
16.
16. Okay, we will be back very shortly when we have mixed 16 genomes together to be able to blow up. Because I know there's a key for that in the controls.
Yep.
Let's do it. Right. Is it ready yet? We have now got 15 out of 16 on the Explode Yourself gene. the most useful, second only to eat grass, of course.
So, Nemsun, I figured out how to fly.
Yeah, that's your jetpack. Stop it. Viewers, he's been doing this all the time now. It's like, I can fly. What we found out is that the flying is a bug. It's not working, something like that.
Yeah. So you guys can all go to the forum post and say, please make it work for us.
Yeah, go to their forum post. If I can remember to do it, I'll put an annotation. I'll even go as far as put an annotation to their forum so that you can all put a forum post on. Right, so we've got the DNA breeder that has made the gene Explode Yourself completed.
Yeah. So, do you want to add that to eat grass or fly, or just make its own centrifuge?
You can add the genes to each other. I think Explode Yourself will speak for itself.
Okay.
Explode Yourself will probably do, actually. So we take a syringe, we centrifuge the blood from the syringe, and that's a fairly quick process. Yep, we get that. Syringe filled there, and then we put it in the combiner up there, put the syringe in, put the gene in, and I'm going to blow up. This time it's going to work. I've even checked the controls on this one. I know that blowing up is the U key. So explode yourself. Okay.
Just don't do it in the lab.
Oh, yeah, good point. Let's do it out where the cheap bit of materials are. Here we go. This can easily be replaced. So, give me the syringe. Why it's
Centrifuge it.
Oh yeah. Da 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 da. All the derping down the rabbit hole. Right, centrifuge it again. That's it. See, when we've got the machines all lined up nice and pretty, like we're gonna have one centrifuge before, then the combiner, then another centrifuge, just to remind me every time to put it through those processes. Okay, that's now ready. Okay, da 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 da. I just realised I just opened my screen, and in NEI I've got in the search Safari. While I'm respawning, while I'm respawning after this, why don't you explain what we can do as the next stage?
Okay.
You might want to pick that up.
All right.
Okay. Ah! No. I'll hang about over here. This is scenery that we can easily replace because it's
right.
cheap.
Nemsun explodes. Take one.
Da 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 da. 3, 2, 1. I can hear it. It's a short fuse. What? I'm still here. I could hear the exploding noise. Can you hear it?
I hear the hiss. That was it.
You heard the creeper hiss?
Yeah.
Like that?
No explosion, just a hiss.
Oh, maybe I need to keep the key down.
Yeah, hold it longer.
Yeah, it's working. Is it? No?
Maybe it's just... Ah!
What did I do?
You totally trolled me right there.
I spammed the key, that's all. Oh, no. Well, I'm back. Hi. I wonder now if I still have the gene.
Well, you can
I respawned in this age. Oh, yeah, I was expecting to run all the way back. Let's get that syringe. Again, let's take the syringe and Made myself go blind for a bit, and now have I got... No, I've got an empty syringe.
Huh.
So the Creeper Blast one is ridiculous.
I wonder if when you kill yourself, you lose all your genes.
Oh, that is never going to happen again. We are never making that blast one again. I can't see any reason to, other than to walk into someone's base and go, "Hi there," boom, or morph into a creeper, go on to Akko's live stream again, and actually blow up this time. Okay, so I'm going to
You can use
centrifuge
it for
this.
the hiss and just not explode all the way.
Oh
Just-
yeah, just go.
Yeah.
Nice house you got here. No, it's definitely gone. I can't press the U button and it can't do it anymore. So that was a great big waste of time, really. That was.
Yeah.
But we did it. This is what being down the rabbit hole at the Sunshine Genetic Labs is all about.
It is.
What should we try next?
Well, eventually we want to try and get the blood of mobs, and like a
Yeah.
cow or a sheep or something we can keep as a pet
Yep.
and experiment on them.
I
They'll be
got-
our lab rats.
I got some safari nets made, so between this episode and next, we'll run around and grab a load of pets.
Subjects.
Shall we say? Pets. Pet subjects, yeah. We'll name them all and everything. They'll be our little pets in here. Oh, that's not
What
me
was that?
exploding again. What? Is it?
I thought I made this.
No, it definitely wasn't me exploding again. It's like a delayed
I'm-
reaction.
Definitely did eternal sunshine on, and no weather on this Mistcraft world.
Mhm.
Oh well.
I made quite a dent, really, didn't I?
Yeah, that was a pretty big explosion.
Okay, so slow fall just sounds a little bit boring. Fly's broken. Woolly is to make another neutral mob be shearable.
Yeah.
Teleporter, that sounds cool. Shoot fireballs, that sounds cool. Destroy blocks with fireballs, that sounds cool. Now those, if we make ourselves into like the ultimate super, I'd like to say heroes, but with those abilities more villainish, and just be able to run around and shoot fireballs at things and blow stuff up. Now that would be cool. Blowing yourself up and losing all your abilities, and about half an hour of processing the genes into a syringe. Now that's not so good. And the fly gene just not working.
Right, we've also got water breathing.
Water breathing and eating grass. Now they're useful ones, I guess. So how long's water breathing going to take?
That one, I think it's only an 8. Let's look.
We've got
Nope,
quite a
it's
few.
a 16.
Well, of course it is. We've got. We've
We have
got.
16.
Yeah, we've got enough. Let's quickly process that and let's see if we can do a bit of a water breathing each. Now, the duplicating the syringes, that was interesting. We've now got 3 flies here, so I suggest that we try and duplicate everything that we complete. And the way we duplicated it was we syringed our own blood again after we'd got the ability with an empty syringe. And it just basically took our, well, the fly that I had, we ended up with it 3 times because we syringed it back out of us. I'm going to duplicate the eat grass while you're starting on that bit. It's,
Okay. Water breathing on its way.
Nausea. Okay, stop nausea, thank you. Right, so if I syringe that back out of me, go blind, eat grass is back in the syringe. That's good.
Yeah.
Take another syringe.
And we also discovered you can't have 2 separate syringes injected at one time. You better combine them into one syringe.
Yeah. So we're going to need at the genetics lab 1 syringe of everything and 1 gene of everything filled and all that sort of stuff, just so that we've got stocks to play around with, won't we?
I just think make the super syringe that gives you everything.
So how do you combine them?
Take a centrifuge syringe and combine it with a fill or completed gene.
Okay.
So like we have eat grass, we could add water breathing to it.
Okay. Well, let's take that. We've got
So-
another syringe here that's just filled and centrifuged. The centrifuge has currently centrifuged the eat grass.
All right, I'm at 10 out of 16.
Oh,
Powers.
that's another thing. I didn't centrifuge it after. Ugh. Now maybe I can eat grass. I'm just sticking myself with needles and just extracting and putting. You have to centrifuge every time you take blood as well.
Pretty much, yeah.
And you have to have it centrifuged before you can inject it to give you the ability. So much to remember. Between this episode and next episode, we're going to have a bit of a rework of the lab and make this into a potentially more automated process to get these basic genomes at least. And then a little specialist rig where we can do the syringing and centrifuging and all that and build up a little collection, a little stock.
Yeah. All right, so we've got water breathing completed.
Okay.
Here's our choice. Put it in its own syringe or combine it with something else.
If we put it in its own syringe, we can duplicate it a couple of times and keep it.
Oh, you know what we could do? Combine it with something else, duplicate it at that point, and then remove the ones we don't like.
Uh-huh.
So if we made one super syringe, duplicated that a bunch of times, and then removed everything?
Yeah.
I don't know. That might work.
Yeah, we still end up without the gene itself, which is the thing that you have to add to the next super syringe.
Yeah. I say we start combining.
Go for it. Let's combine eat grass and water breathing. Let's do that, because grass underwater, it's always a useful thing.
This is now called eat seaweed.
Eat seaweed. I wonder if we can rename these syringes.
Syringe.
We can rename the syringes and make them like the uber amazing syringe full of stuff. Just press U when you've injected it, and everyone just explodes. Oh.
All right. So I've injected myself. I'll pull it back out.
Yeah.
And syringe it or centrifuge it again.
Yep.
And then you can go grab it.
Oh,
and go for a swim.
You want me to test it again? Of course.
No, I've got. Well, both of us should have it now.
Okay. So swimming without goggles. Oh, you've got the goggles. It's okay.
I can get rid of the goggles.
Okay, so now I need to syringe it back out again. Do I lose it when I take it out? Have we figured that out yet?
That's about what I'm about to test here.
Okay.
Because I don't think so, because you can just duplicate it.
Yeah. You'd think so, wouldn't you?
I just jumped off my house into the water. Let's see what happens.
That's a good plan. I'm going to head back.
And bubbles are not going away. Yes.
So you can breathe underwater.
I am underwater breathing at the moment.
Okay. Wow. Let's see. I'm going to do it for my viewers now. It's cold out here, but bubbles. The last bubble's popping, but it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
No water breathing thing came up at all, though. Nothing says that I've got water breathing or anything. There's no sort of GUI in your inventory or anything like that. Nothing at all. Oh, and I just spotted something else while I came out here. Somebody thought it might be a glitch, but as I came out here, it was raining over water, and we've got the all snow modding. It was snowing on the coast edge of the water, but raining out in the main water.
That's weird.
Right, so we've got the ability to eat grass. I just ate grass.
You just ate it?
I just ate some grass, yeah. I've currently got full hunger, but I did just eat a piece of grass. Wow. Okay, so now I am 2 super abilities closer to the ultimate syringe. That's pretty cool. we're going to have to do a lot of automation to make it easy to get to the next few stages, aren't we? Though, because we can get the scrapings easy enough, and we can process them a very long-winded way. But I reckon we can automate that. Let's say we work on automating the process of making basic genes in order to, because that was quickly bred, that water breathing, even though there was 16 to do. It's fairly quick in the breeder once you've got the cells available.
Yeah, if we can keep enough power, and
yeah,
we're good.
So yeah, I think that's about all we can do right now without taking another break and getting some more genes sorted out, which is fairly long-winded. We've done it twice, 3 times now, and terribly long-winded to get some very failed effects like fly and explode yourself and stuff.
I thought that was pretty cool.
The exploding Nemsun. Did arms and legs and stuff come off all over the place and blood splatter and stuff? No?
I closed my eyes. It was too scary.
Okay. At least you had your camera running. That's right. So I guess that's it for another episode from Sunshine Genetics Lab. We will make some improvements and be back with you next episode.
Enjoy. Please hit subscribe on Nemsun and myself.
Yeah, do that. See you later, guys.
And go watch Utopia channel. Yay!